In this video, we'll be talking about outbound WhatsApp voice calling. Outbound WhatsApp voice calling lets business connect with their customers directly on WhatsApp in a compliant and permission-based way. Before making a call, the customer must explicitly approve the request. Once approved, you can initiate voice calls from Interakt and track the permission status at every step. It's ideal for urgent conversations like payment follow-ups, support escalations, or high-intent queries, all within WhatsApp. Before you start, since we've already enabled outbound WhatsApp voice calling functionality, to simply start using it, you need to go to the inbox section. Before you start making a call to a particular customer, you need to obtain a permission from them. Before you do that, you need to ensure that the chat has been assigned to you. Only then the person can actually initiate the permission request with the customer. For example, in this case, the chat is already assigned to me. I would like to call this particular customer. Once I click on the call button, it will show you the different statuses of the WhatsApp call. As you can see, it's rejected right now. So I would like to seek permission from this particular customer. In that case, I'll just simply click on this WhatsApp call. As you can see, a pop-up asking for permission to connect has opened up. You can see the default template that has been mentioned over here. Since the chat is not in an active service window, hence you will only be able to send out the permission template. Whereas if you were in the 24-hour window, you could have simply sent out a custom message along with the WhatsApp call button. Once you do this, there are certain limits which needs to be taken care of. That is, maximum 1 permission can be sent within 24 hours. Maximum 2 permission requests can be sent within 7 days. The permission expires after 7 days if granted. And then these limits will always reset when there is any connected call happen between the business or the end customer. To simply send this template, all you need to do is just hit on this send template button. As you can see, the message has been sent successfully to the customer. The customer will get an option something similar like please allow call access so that we can proceed with your support query. The customer will have options like these 3: allow calls, temporarily allow calls, and not at this time. If they click on allow calls, basically it will give the permanent permission to the end customer. If they click on temporarily allow calls, it will give the permission for only 7 days, as you can see automatically showing for the next 7 days. And the third option, not at this time, that means the customer has rejected your call permission request. Based on the type of consent given by the customer, you can see the different statuses on the platform as well. So for example, as you can see, it shows rejected right now. Let me just quickly change this to allow calls permanently. As you can see, you'll get a toast over here stating that the call permission was granted by Harsh Chandani, which is the customer. You can now initiate a WhatsApp call to this particular customer. And then if you click over here, you can see the status has changed in real time to permanent. Similarly, if I change this to temporarily allow calls, it will allow only for the next 7 days. So today's date is, let's suppose, 21st December. It will show me till 28th December automatically. Alright, once your permissions are in place, let us quickly test out this call. Click on the call button, WhatsApp call. Here we'll be showing you the calling number, which is again your WhatsApp business API number that's connected to your Interakt account. We'll also show some notes which says that the call will be received by the customer on their WhatsApp application. Call rates will depend on the customer's country code and the plan. You can simply click on know more to know these rates in both INR as well as USD. And that the call charges will be deducted from the wallet balance. Once you've gone through all of these notes, you can simply click on start call.
Hello.
Hi, good evening, sir. My name is Rohan. I'm calling from Interakt. Sir, we received a support ticket from your end that your messages were failing, specifically the marketing messages.
Yeah, Sure. Thank you.
Alright, sir. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, so as you can see, we just had a call with one of the customers. Once this is done, you'll see a call summary on the top right hand side. Upon clicking the see call summary, you'll be redirected to the call management dashboard where you can see all the list of all your outbound calls. And also the call recording will get generated in a few minutes along with the AI transcript and summary. So just to give you a quick overview as to how this works, let me just click on any other call summary.
Hello. 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 Good evening, sir. Good evening. Sir, I'm calling from Interakt. Basically, we received an email from your end that you were facing some issue with one of our products. Can you just let me know what is the exact issue that you're facing so that we can assist you?
Yeah, actually, I have a purchase growth plan for Interakt, but I'm not able to send the messages properly. They are getting failed.
So as you can see, this was the glimpse of the call recording, and when we expand this, you can see the AI summary which says that the agent contacted the user regarding an issue with the Interakt product. The user reported that they were unable to send outbound messages as they were failing. However, incoming messages were working fine. The agent acknowledged the problem and that they would investigate and provide a resolution within the next 2 to 3 hours. So this was the AI summary, and then if you would like to also know, the transcript is also generated. So you can see agent being the person who's calling from the Interakt dashboard, basically your team member, and the user is the end user, the customer to whom the call was made. And you can see the entire transcript has been automatically generated over here. So this generation of the call recording, the AI summary and transcript, this can take a few minutes. So you can always circle back and come back to this particular call management dashboard so that you can keep a track of and view all the call recordings, the summaries and the transcripts. In the call management dashboard, we also have a section called as outbound call permissions. Basically, this is a one-stop place for you to monitor all the call permissions that have been sent by you and your team. In this case, since we have the owner and the super admin view, so we can see all the call permissions that have been requested by the team itself and the different agents. We can also even filter out these permissions basis on an agent level over here.